All right, welcome to the third section in our training series here. And in this series, we're going to look at two things. Number one, we're going to look at some other miscellaneous tips and tricks that you can utilize to improve your online reputation. So just various random tips that don't fit precisely into any of the previous things that we looked at in the last section. And we're going to be updating this section continually as we have more tips and tricks to share with you. And then also in this section, we are going to look at some common frequently asked questions that business owners asked us. And since you probably have some of the same questions, we're going to share the answers with you as well. So if you have any particular questions or anything that you would like to request a video on or some further understanding on, please send us an email, yelpcoach@gmail.com. Chances are there's some other people that have the same question. We would love to hear it and possibly make a video on it to share with others to help everyone to improve their online ratings here. Now, in this particular video, we are going to talk about the dreaded Yelp review filter, or as Yelp calls it, not recommended reviews. This is an image here I've pulled up online. Yelp, their slogan is real people, real reviews. As many business owners see it as real people filtered reviews. So we're going to take a look at exactly how the Yelp filter works and what exactly you can do about it. We're going to take a look at the headache that it causes a lot of small businesses. And then we're going to take a look at exactly how the review filter works, what you can do, and what you can do about it. So part one, take a look at the headache and heartburn that Yelp's review filter causes a lot of small businesses. You may have experienced something like this here, looking at your Yelp account, being frustrated because you have one review and then you got in light, and it's not highlighted, of course, on Yelp's page. It's light gray, and most people don't even see it, but 4 other reviews that are not currently recommended. And that's very frustrating to see reviews that are left there that are filtered or not recommended and therefore are not factoring into your overall online rating. So you go through the trouble to provide good quality service, you get some legitimate reviews out there from some real customers, and then those reviews get filtered or not recommended and do not show up in your overall online rating. So how exactly does the Yelp review filter work? Reviews, and we're going to share here from our own personal research here, reviews are less likely to get filtered if the reviewer has a profile picture, has at least one friend, preferably a few more than one, and has left at least one, preferably a few more reviews already on Yelp. For example, one recent study that we did, and this is not based on Yelp's information, these results that we're sharing here is based on our own private research. We found when taking dozens of different Yelp pages and averaging these numbers together for these different criteria, among the reviews that are recommended and that show up on the factor into the ratings, 48% of them, so a little less than half of the recommended reviews have no profile picture. 43% of them have no Yelp friends, but only 4% of them have only one review. So that last one is definitely the biggest factor there. If you have left, if a customer has left only one review and that's the review for your business, there's about a 96% chance that that review is going to be filtered. Among the not recommended reviews, 57% of them did not have a profile picture. 90% of them, so almost every single review that gets filtered, is from someone that has no friends on Yelp. And 47% of them had left only one review. So there's a pretty big difference between a couple of those there. You see the profile picture, not too big of a difference, 48 to 57%. So that has an impact, but not a huge impact. Yelp friends definitely does have a pretty big impact, but percentage-wise, the biggest impact is how many reviews that person has left on Yelp before. So that's how the Yelp review filter works. Now, what can you as a business owner do with this information? Well, very simply, what you want to do is you want to leverage this information to channel reviews appropriately. Channeling negative reviews directly to yourself or whoever at the business can best assist with the situation and make it turn around to a good experience. And you want to channel positive reviews to where they're most needed, and specifically in this instance, positive experiences from customers that are already on Yelp. We want to get them, more than anyone else, going to Yelp to leave a positive review. And how do we do that? Well, we do that by leveraging the review portal here, where when they say they had a good experience, we specifically say, Yelpers, go here. And we're directing the Yelp people that are already on Yelp to go out there and leave us a positive review for our business. So what can you do about it? Send negative reviews directly to yourself, send positive reviews from frequent Yelpers over to Yelp, and send other positive reviews elsewhere over to Google Places, Angie's List, City Search, to your Facebook page, or somewhere else. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to take a look at a very common claim that businesses make, which is that Yelp manipulates how the reviews work in order to get business owner to pay them for advertising. Is there any truth to that? Take a look at click on the link below and watch the next video to find out.